welcome back. So we're looking at Gearbox today. So this is a Gearbox that I bought thinking that it was good to go. When I took it down to AC Dodd, he said there is a fair bit of wear and it does need rebuilding. I've also got this gearbox, which I've had knocking around for a while, that was partially in bits. That's the original diff and diff casing for this one. I've got my mini spares cross pin diff, so it's a lot stronger than the original diff. As you see, 4 planetary gears instead of 2 in the original one, and the 3.1:1 ratio diff, and a few other bits, some new bearings, and a center oil pickup. So I'm going to take all these parts over to Mr. Paul Jeffries tomorrow, and hopefully he can work his magic and we can make one good out of the 2 plus whatever new bits we're going to need. It's something I would like to do myself, but I don't really know where to start and what to I don't really know how to tell what can be reused, what's too worn, because I mean, it looks fine to me. Okay, let's box all that up and then we'll have a look at the engine. Right, so now here we have the mighty 998 A series. So yeah, looking a bit worn, not too bad. Everything spins around easily, but this is going to get overboard plus 20. Crank doesn't look the best condition. I do have another engine if this crank turns out to be no good, but it might clean up. So yeah, we just need to strip the crank and everything out, so we're down to a bare block. There's a little bit of wear, not terrible though. There's a bit more wear in there. Number 3. Number 4. Ooh, that's a bit worn. That's all the way down to the copper. So yeah, quite a lot of wear on the mains there. So let's box this up and then we can take this down to Paul's. There we go, we've got the block, the crank and the pistons and rods all in one box, and then gearbox, all the other bits, and the gasket set in another, and then we'll take this one to see if it will be useful. So that's it. Now we hand it over to Paul Jeffries. He's going to organise getting the block to the machine shop for me, where it's going to be bored out plus 20 and have some pockets put in for 1275 head, and he's going to rebuild the gearbox for me. So that's it for now. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.